Do you want unlimited I/O for your cheap yellow display? I did it with my board computer project. It is possible to switch the lights that I have connected to my board computer with the cheap yellow display. So if I press to the blue button, one of the blue lights come on. When I press to the red button, one of the red lights come on. And if you look good, you see also that the black pointer now is white. That means that he also feels that there is power on that port, so you can also use this port as inputs. Here are 8s. If 8 is not enough, I have an input and an output. So you can daisy chain this case to the next, and the next, and the next. So 8 is not the limit. For now, very shortly, how did I do it? I've designed a case in between that I connect serial with the cheap yellow display and via UTP to my board computer. I hope in a few weeks to have time to make a full video of how I did this all, that you can rebuild it by yourself. If you want to start quickly, you can on my GitHub page download all Gerber files. Remember to download version 1.5 or 0.5. Not the other versions, only for the board computer itself. Version 0.4 is the most recent version at the moment. For the most PCBs, I have several versions, and some of them are with BOM files, so GLC PCB can deliver them with the SMT components on it. The PCBs that you need for my project are one of the logic modules, the switching module or schakelmodule, or the sensor module, and of course, to control it all, the PCB for the board computer itself, or if you want to use a cheap yellow display where this trigger is about, the logic module that communicates between the cheap yellow display and the rest of my system. For the PCBs, if you want them, but you don't want to order a lot, you can also send me a message via YouTube. If I have the PCBs that you want on stock, I'm pleased to send them to you, of course for the production cost and the delivery costs. Feel also free if you want to use my concept for the PCBs to create your own. For now, I would say, I hope to see you back in a few weeks. Goodbye.